Hey guys, in this video let's unbox the Poco M2 Pro. Before that, if you're someone who likes exploring tech, consider subscribing. This is the box and it is a little bigger while compared to other phones. Opening up the box, we have the SIM ejector tool, user manual and the back cover. Now we have the phone itself, and it is the black color 6GB RAM variant. The phone looks and feels good in hand. And now we have the 33-watt fast charger. But the cable seems a bit smaller than usual. Let's boot the device and slap the cover on it. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe and stay tuned for updates.